Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by Kirina Woman. Kirina Woman. Mako. Kirina Woman. Mako. Kirina Woman. Kirina Woman. Bible kuwete kama Mako. Bible kuwete kama Mako. Libito la kosa liwakwe. Aliwakwe. Stivo. Tabuchisha. Sundowns second half ibetile kai. 0. Wafitile kai ku Peterson. 0. Rina. Abana shot on target. Aribekishe mai. Retala bolo Rina. Amaso kume Pirates amai yo. Kirina. Aribekishe mai. Yeah, Rentina Talipon, 1 tall Talipon. Baby, what don't run? I reach high. They're gonna kick me. Men of the match worker. Yes, clean. One thing I have request from the Chiefs front line. They just need to be more clinical. Otherwise,